ratio of areas of two triangle. This is the first point of the first chapter, similarity. Here triangle ABC, in which AD perpendicular BC, in triangle PQR, PS perpendicular QR. Now we know that formula for area of triangle ABC equals to half base into height. We know that base is the segment on which perpendicular is drawn and height is the segment which is perpendicular. So in this figure, DP is the height and AC is the base, because DP is perpendicular on AC. Therefore AC is called a base and DP is called as a height. So in that sense, each triangle has 3 base and corresponding 3 heights. So for this triangle, AD is the height, BC is the base. In triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. So here area of triangle ABC equals to half into BC into AD, and area of triangle PQR equals to half base QR and height PS. Now see our heading, ratio of area of two triangles. By taking ratio, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to half BC into AD divided by half QR into PS. Now we know that half gets cancelled and remaining part is BC into AD divided by QR into PS. It means that ratio of area of any two triangle is equals to product of base and height of corresponding triangles. It is the ratio of product of base and height of corresponding triangles, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to, now base into height BC into AD divided by base into height QR into PS. So in that case, these are the any two triangles. Now suppose that there are some types of particular triangle in which base BC and QR is equal, means the two triangles having common base. Now if base is common, now for these two triangles, so this is A, B, C, height is AD, and another triangle P, Q, R and height PS. Now suppose first case, height is equal, that is AD equals to PS. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR, any two triangles with equal height, that is AD equals to PS. Then what happens to this equation? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. As we know that if AD equals to PS, then what happens to this? AD and PS gets cancelled and therefore remaining part BC divided by QR. So we can say that now if two triangles have equal height, then their ratio of area is equals to ratio of their corresponding bases. So this is the one more property for the two triangles having equal height, their ratio corresponds to their bases. Now in another case, now we suppose that bases BC and QR are equal. BC and QR are equal. Then what happens to this equation? This is triangle A, B, C, P, Q, R. Base BC and base QR are equal and they have a different height. AD corresponding AD is the height of triangle ABC and PES is the height of triangle PQR. Now if base is equal, then what happened to this equation now? Triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to, as base is equal here, then they get cancelled, so remaining parts AD divided by PS. So this property of triangle are used to find out the ratio of area of two triangles if the base of given triangle is equal. One more case for which both height and base are equal. Triangle A, B, C, triangle P, Q, R, height AD of triangle ABC and height PS of triangle PQR, and height is congruent and base is also congruent. Then what happens? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equals to, as base is equal, they get cancelled, height is equal, they get cancelled, and therefore 1 by 1. So these are the different properties of ratio of areas of two triangles can be used to solve the problems depending upon the ratio of areas of two triangles.